Alright, so I had two questions from the quiz, and they're both actually fairly similar. So we'll look at the first one here. Sarah is 2 kilometers away from her home. She continues to walk away from her home at a constant speed of 2 kilometers per hour. Which graph reflects Sarah's movement? Okay, so we're going from a description to a graph. So two key pieces of information here is our rate of change and her starting distance. So we know starting off that she's a distance away from home. So that means we're going to have some sort of y-intercept here. So I'm thinking it could be this one and it could be this one. But this one is kind of saying that she starts right at home. And this one is kind of suggesting, so this would be distance and time. This one's kind of saying that the time starts a little bit ahead, so it's not A either. So then that leaves us down with C and D. So the next piece of information, our rate of change of 2 kilometers per hour. You can see here, this one is going up 1 and over 2. So that would be a slope of 1/2. Here, this one's going up 2 and over 1. So this matches our 2 kilometers per hour. D is the correct answer. Alright, 16 is actually kind of similar here because we have a flat fee of $25. That's kind of like this 2 here. And $2 per call made is our rate of change. So this is going to be a linear relationship. So first off, we know it's not that one because the rates aren't changing each hour. It's staying consistently $2 every call. So if it was $2, then $3 and $4, then it would could possibly be B, but it's not. That's not the one we're looking at. All right, so it has to be either A, C, or D. And similar to the last one, because we have that starting cost, it can't be C. This one's starting right at the origin, so it can't be that one. It can't be D as well because we're not starting with a set number of calls. We're starting with a set cost. So that's going to leave A as our correct answer. So we're starting up higher at 25, and from here we're going up at $2 per call. This would kind of mean that we start at 0, maybe our first 10 calls are free, and then it's going up from there. So A would be the answer for 16, and D would be the answer for number 11.